This drill is run at the NFL Combine, and I ran athletes through it for over 10 years. I put some age-adjusted standards at the end of the video. Let's get how to set it up, how to run it. Let's do it. Now, setup for this is simple. You have one cone in the middle, two cones 5 yards apart, so it's a 10-yard total distance. Now, to run the test is extremely simple. We start in the middle, you take off to the left, touch the ground to stay low, go all the way to the right, touch the ground to stay low, run back through the middle, and that's where you clock it. Now, one of the key points is you know where you're going. So as you get started, you already want to be leaning to the direction you're going to start a little bit. So as you take off, you already have that head start. Again, we know we're going to go back to the right, so we're leaning to the right. Touch the ground to stay low, load those hips, explode all the way out to the right, follow that same pattern, and bust through the middle to finish. Put it together, max speed. Looking at programming, just do 3 to 4 sets, full recovery between your reps, 2 reps starting to the left, 2 reps starting to the right, time yourself, track it every 4 weeks, and now let's see where you stand. This is all part of the Longevity Athlete series where we help longevity athletes and weekend athletes become fitter, faster, and feel like they did back when they were in their 20s and 30s. Get your time, put it in the chat, and let's get faster together. Never settle with yesterday.